How to turn off keyboard vibration on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop your phone from buzzing every time you tap a key while typing. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Sound and Vibration from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Vibration and Haptics to open its settings. At this point, scroll down and look for the toggle labeled Keyboard Vibration. In the next step, turn off the toggle next to keyboard vibration to disable it. Following this, close settings once the toggle is turned off. Once done, open any app with a text field to test that typing no longer produces a vibration. Keep in mind, this only affects the system keyboard's vibration. Third-party keyboard apps may have their own separate vibration setting. Finally, come back to the same menu anytime you want to turn keyboard vibration back on. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off keyboard vibration on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.